Okay, sorry for the bad filming. This is my first video. I'm about to open 7 packs. I'm trying to get either the Adrian Peterson or the Deion Sanders card. And then I'm going to show you my 99 overall team and what it takes to have a 99 overall. So here we go. Start off with the Albert. So we're going to individually go through these at first. Nothing in that one. Joe Berlin and Gator. So I'm going to keep these for some of the jerseys that I want, and then quick sell the rest, earn a little bit more coins. So you get 950, so that's pretty good. I'm just starting out in commentary, so I'm gonna get better equipment. But just to start out, I want to show this to you guys. Bring this as my first video. So, and we get a 70. Come on, give me AP or Deion, please. Mercedes Lewis. Gosh dang it. I don't think I'm gonna keep because I already have a good tight end, and I don't really use tight ends anyways. So, goodbye. Got 22,000 coins. God, I just need that Adrian Peterson or the Deion. Come on, baby. Come on, give me someone for the squad. Give me that someone for the squad. Herbie Husker, that's not who. Gosh. Nothing in that one again, so we're not getting crap. This sucks. I got like 4 more packs to go. Please give me something. I just want the AP so bad. I already have him. God dang it. This is annoying. This is very, very annoying. Oh, man. But at least I get to show you a 99 overall team. That's the only good part, apparently, about this video. Come on. Please, please give me an AP. Oh my god, dude. Wow, they really just don't really want to give me anything now. This fucking sucks, bro. 2 more packs. Should I just quick reveal them? Get this over with, because I'm not going to get crap already now. Let's just quick reveal it. Fuck it. Of course. I did need this, though. Oops. Current. God. This sucks. Like, he sucks. This whole thing. Pack opening is just blows. I haven't got crap. And I have 1 more to go. Hooray. This sucks. We're gonna get what? We're gonna get like an 86 overall, like, punter. Oh, wow. Or an 87. Yeah. Yeah. Screw you. Only thing again is the mascot. It's the only goddamn thing that's worth something to me right at this point. Alright, so I'll come back to you and I'll show you the 99 overall team. I will be RB. Okay, so here we go. This is my, as you can see, 99 overall team. You guys can just take a look, see who I have. Sorry for the camera work, I am doing it on my phone. Alright, so get a good look at that. This is my receiving core. I'm Mike Vick, I love that card. Pretty good wide receivers. I got Kellen Winsor Jr., and this is my defense. Just got the Ncaa today. And I got the Ray Lewis at the 2 spots. Jarvis Jones, that's my only repeat, and I did that because he's the only person at that position that is 93 overall, and I can't seem to find anybody else like that other than one of the elite guys, and he's too much coins, and I never pick anything in a pack, so yeah, it's my only guy I have repeated. But this is my secondary. This is the reason why I wanted Dion. I got good guys, but Dion is a beast. So you see that. This is my kicking squad. Alfonso Smith right here is a monster. Put him at kick returner and punt returner if you can. I put Andre Johnson at punt returner just because I like Andre Johnson. Yeah, and gotta support Nebraska, man. I'm a Georgia fan, but someone with Nebraska that I really like. So there you have it. That is my 99 overall team and a shitty pack opening. I hope to get more capturing equipment so I can actually shoot a good commentary. Thanks for watching, and I will bring more hopefully this week. Thank you, and signing off. Skirt!